In the previous lecture, we came up with the annually compound interest, this formula. So how about if we compound the interest semi-annually? What does this mean? That means we just focus on the first 3 years. That means we now have 6 periods semi-annual. We divide every year into 2, so we have 6 periods. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how much Mr. Wright will get at the end of period 1? The principal 1,000 plus the first period's interest. How to calculate the first period's interest? The annual interest rate is 8%. The half of the year's interest rate is 8% divided by 2. 8% divided by 2. It is conventional method of calculation. I'm not going to compute the number. Let's just leave as this expression. So how much Mr. Wright will get at the end of period 2 is the new principal is this one. The new principal is 1,000. The new principal is the amount, the accumulated amount at the end of period 1. The new principal plus the second period's interest. The second period's interest is the new principal, this amount, times 1 plus 8% over 2 times the interest rate, because it's half year, so the interest rate is 8% over 2. So we take the common terms out. Take this out. 100 times plus 2 out. The leftover, we have 1 plus 8% over 2. So actually we have 2 of this. So it is to the second power. How much Mr. Wright will get at the end of period 3? The same principle is the new principal. The new principal is this amount. over 2 plus this, the third period interest. How to calculate it? The new principal, the new principal, write down again, times interest rate half year, so it's 8% over 2. Now we got 1,000 times 1 plus 8% over 2 to the third power. Do you see the pattern? Yes. How much Mr. Wright will get at the end of periods? At the end of periods 6, you just replace 3 by the number 6. So the formula, let's derive a formula for semi-annually compound. Semi-annually compounded. The accumulated amount is A. The principal the same, the P. 1 plus the interest rate, because it's semi-annual. The annual interest rate is R. The half year's interest is R divided by 2. T years. If we have T years, how many half years we have? How many 6 months in T years? Is just 2 times T. So how about compound quarterly? The formula is, the tricky part is here. The annual interest rate is R. Quarterly interest rate is R divided by 4, because 1 year has 4 quarters. T years, how many quarters does T years have? 4 times T. So the same principle, if we compound monthly, the formula shall be annual interest rate divided by 12. T years, how many months in T years? 12 times T. If we compound daily, the formula shall be P how many days in 1 year? 365. How many days does T years has? Three, 6, 5 times T. This is daily compounding. Let's generalize a formula. If we compound the interest n times per year, the formula is going to be annual interest rate divided by n. N means compounding periods per year. N T. And sometimes we just denote the R over N as capital R. NT capital M. That means R is the interest rate per period. N is the compounding period. So we can get the formula as the original principal, capital R, capital N. You can do the comparison. These two formulas are both very useful in different scenarios.